Hi, my name is Julia and this is Space Daily News channel. Heavy rocket Angara-A5 should be delivered to the Vostochny cosmodrome for the first launch from this cosmodrome in September this year. This was announced by the first deputy head of Roskosmos, and the completion of construction and installation works on the launch complex of Angara launch vehicles at the Vostochny launch site is expected in August 2023. It's planned that during the upcoming launch, which will be the fourth for the rockets of this class, an upgraded version of the Angara-A5M rocket will be launched. An improved version has engines with increased thrust and new equipment, thanks to which it was possible to reduce the weight of the rocket. A combination of these factors made it possible to increase the payload of the launch vehicle by almost 3 tons, from 22.3 to 25 tons, which is very significant. The Angara-A5 is a 3-stage heavy launch vehicle with a height of 55 meters and a diameter of 8.8 meters. The first stage of the rocket uses liquid-propellant RD-191 engines, running on kerosene and oxygen. It is also planned that in the future Angara-A5M will get a hydrogen stage. In addition, Roskosmos admits that there may be a reusable modification of this rocket. For the first time, Angara-A5 was launched in 2014, when the rocket took a mockup satellite weighing 2 tons into orbit at an altitude of 36,000 kilometers. The second successful launch took place in 2020, and during this launch, a mockup satellite with mass of 2.4 tons was injected into orbit. And during the third launch, which took place in 2021, a new upper stage Perseus was used, which did not work as planned. During the fourth launch, it's also planned to launch mockup satellite, and the main task of the fourth launch will be to test the new launch pad and the launch complex at the Vostochny cosmodrome. Space Daily News, like, share and subscribe.